Thursday, I was hauling a bunch of shit, put over there for them to, put out in the fields. So I did that all day Thursday. Then yesterday, hauled a bunch of basically grass. I don't know the farm terms for it, but hauled that, and then ended up having to mow some, and then the chopper broke. So then we thought we fixed it, didn't fix it. So now I'm on my way back there now to hopefully get the part. Hopefully we got the right parts that's actually gonna fix it, so we fix it and continue. So it's been some long days, about 12 hours on Thursday. Started around 9 o'clock yesterday, didn't end until 12:30 last night. So yesterday was a really long day. But yeah, so my goal is to help him get all this stuff done this week. Goals to be done tomorrow, but I don't know if that's going to happen. If it doesn't happen, then we'll roll this into Monday. I'm actually going to try to get some more videos of it that I can to just kind of post, you know what I mean, and go from there. And then it's back to the normal grind for the education on the IULs for my financial business and stuff like that. So that's the game plan. Right now I'm on my way, basically go pick up more parts and head to the farm and do some working. So if I can get some more videos and photos and some other shit, I'll try to get all that stuff and add it into these videos. just to have it there, you know what I mean? This is for me. This is all about documenting my journey and see where I was at. I'm in a pretty significant hole right now, so I'm just doing everything I can to kind of get myself out of it. So that's all for now, and I'll see y'all later.